Alright, it's your boy Moseefus. Well, oh no, it's not your boy Moseefus. Not with all this shit on the front of my camera. Let's try that shit again. It's your boy Moseefus, the 20 view king. Everything I do get 20 views. How y'all doing? It's Monday, right? Yeah, yo. Nobody told me about no daylight savings. This was some bullshit this year. This year was some bull. Like any other year, it's like you hear about the shit all weekend, even the week beforehand. This year, I just wake up in my iPhone and my clock saying two separate shits, just arguing, disagreeing with each other. And I had to double check. I'm like, wait, it usually fall up around the 21st and whatnot. And yo, this joint came out of nowhere, so I've been all messed up. So that's probably why this joint ain't come out in the morning. This joint coming out in the afternoon. And I'm checking out a whole bunch of OBS settings because OBS been on some old bullshit. Because the last couple of videos I had been stuttering and stuttering and stuttering and futtering and just all fucked up. I think I got the setup finally, and I got the settings finally where it should be. And I'm gonna be looking a little bit more crisper and be flowing with the flow a little bit better. Because before it was like audio be running, and I'm like, this shit was crazy. But hit the no matter of fact, do that at the end. But yeah, hit the $. Moseefus Cash App if you got a request. You want me to react to a video. That's where I get the priority videos coming from, and the Patreon. Hit Moseefus on Patreon. I'm on Patreon now. I ain't got nothing up there yet, but I'm gonna figure something out. So Moseefus on Patreon and $ Moseefus on Cash App. Request a video, I'm gonna react to it, and if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't, and you never gotta give me $1 again. If not, just leave the comments underneath the video you watch, and then put the name of the video there, and then I'll read that, and I'll say I added it, and then I'll put it in a list, and the list got a whole bunch of like 700 songs, and some of them not even songs. There'll be some other shit on there too, and I hit the shuffle, and if one out of 700 is like winning the lotto. Some shitty ass lotto though. Like me, I'm your lotto. Me watching the video you say you want me to watch. That's the lotto, nigga. you could have done better. You should have had a V8. Like, well, what we got next? Oh, here we go. This is a request that came in not too long ago. Silencer. I'm not your puppet. This came in under the Latino Bone Thug joint. Mr. Sancho, I think it was. I gotta listen to that joint again. It was slander, but let's check this one out. Sounds so I'm not your puppet. Is he gonna go, I'm your puppet? That was my joint. Ding, 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 ding. Ooh. Listen, see it. Ooh. He got the voice box. Like, nah. Ooh. This, yo, this is Mexican rap. Alright, so that was Silencer. That's so Mr. Sancho was the other dude. This is Silencer. I'm Not Your Puppet. Was they cool, son? They down with the same crew? Cause that was very similar. Nah, I guess Mr. Sancho was smoother. But that was dope, man. Ain't no listen. I like that. That's the type of shit I want on the channel. That's the type of music I want to listen to. But I'm busy just checking out settings because technically I'm still on the clock. But to them, like, yo, if you know what was going on with this mandate, listen, don't get me started. Yo, I'm finna get canned. But everybody else don't even got a test no more. Even unvaccinated people finna take their masks off at work. But me, because I live where I live, I'm about to get fired. Shit crazy. They're about to be, but Patreon and YouTube all day long, baby. All day. All right, y'all. We're going to end this one.